All right, guys, let's take a look at a problem. It was actually one of the most missed problems from the implicit differentiation worksheet. This was technically number 7 on the worksheet. It says find the derivative of y with respect to x of x plus 5 times y cubed equals 2x squared. I hope that you notice that this is multiplication between the x plus 5 and the y cubed. So that means I'm going to have to use the product rule. So if you remember, the product rule is first times derivative of the second plus second times derivative of the first. So my first is just x plus 5, so we're going to leave that alone, times the derivative with respect to x of y cubed plus second, which is y squared, times the derivative with respect to x of x plus 5. And then don't forget, this is implicit differentiation, so I need to take the derivative with respect to x of 2x squared. All right, so first, x plus 5, we're going to leave that alone. The derivative with respect to x of y cubed, notice that the variables do not match. So when I take the derivative of y cubed, which is 3y squared, I'm going to have dy over dx plus second, so plus y cubed, times the derivative with respect to x of x plus 5. The variables do match, so the derivative of x plus 5 is just 1. And then the derivative with respect to x of 2x squared, the variables do match, so take the derivative, that would be 4x. Remember, you want to get the dy dx on the left-hand side. Anything that does not have a dy dx, it needs to move to the other side. Y cubed times 1 will just be y cubed, but when I move it over, that will become a negative value, so I'm going to have 4x minus y cubed. I'm trying to solve this for dy over dx, so I'm going to divide by x plus 5 and 3y squared. So multiply the other side, x plus 5 and 3y squared. Then this will cross out, leaving the dy over dx, which is what I want. And so in the numerator, I have 4x minus y cubed, and in the denominator, I'm just going to put that 3y squared term first, and then times x plus 5. Now, I could, if I wanted to, distribute this 3y squared, but there's no need to. We can leave it just like that, and that would be the answer.